Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So, Google's NotebookLM is an AI-powered research assistant that creates notebooks from your own documents. You feed it your sources, PDFs, web article, Google Docs, YouTube links, and each can answer the questions, generate summaries, and even create study guides based only on the information you provided. But here is the power move. You can connect Gemini directly to NotebookLM using the Gemini CLA. This turns your Gemini chat into a research engine that can create population, query or NotebookLM notebooks without leaving the command line. So in this guide, I will show you how to install the NotebookLM SDK as a Gemini extension and start using these powerful research tools. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First thing first, install the NotebookLM CDK as a Gemini extension. You should go and run the command in your terminal. Gemini extension install https //github.com or //den/notebooklm sdk.get. Then provide the required configuration. During the installation, the Gemini CLI wizard will automatically prompt you for your configuration variables. First one is the project number, your Google Cloud project number where NotebookLM is hosted, and the target region for the location. Then set up your G-Cloud credentials using NotebookLM commands in Gemini CLA and create a notebook with Gemini. And that's your idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.